I'm now committed to myself. How about that? How about that? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if it's your first time, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at a pair that a lot of us have been looking forward to. I mean, I'm guessing that's why you're here, not to look at this handsome mug. We have the Air Jordan 1 Mocha on deck, the most anticipated, am I right in saying that, Air Jordan 1 color blocking of 2020. But first things first. That's right, baby. Selfish is finally launched. Man, we've been working on this brand for 2 years now, and it feels so great to finally have a package in hand. Woo-wee! So nice, sturdy, feels so good. And I just got this packed by the team and shipped to me because I really wanted to feel and open up a package for myself. So let's see what's in it. You've probably seen me in most of the prototypes, but I said, surprise me. Oh yeah, a nice card with a message I should know because we worked on it. There's a whole bunch of stickers as well. You know, Selfish, the box logo like you would see on the hoodie and the t-shirts. The first drop, which is called Drop Zero. Man, this is my favorite sticker. I love this. Intro version is underrated. So here I have two Selfish packages, nice clean butter paper and sticker. What's in this one? Nice. The Oxford shirt. Man, I love this shirt. It's got this inverted pocket, mother of pearl buttons, and this discreet embroidery. Oops, can you see it right there? It says Underwhelming, which means an introvert in Hindi or Devanagari. Educate me in the comments, will you? Let's see what the second thing is. I gotta put a fit together. Should I wear the mochas with them? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what sneaker would go with that shirt. Quite smart, right? Oh, nice! Okay, I gotta admit, I don't even have a prototype of these olive cargo pants that we did with Selfish. Yum. So that light blue shirt, these olive pants, and what sneakers should I wear with them? Let me know. I'll drop the link to our website down in the description. Make sure to check it out and shop because with every product that you buy, we will donate one t-shirt to charity. We thought, it's only the right thing to do. And now, for, do I call it the hero of this video, this nice classic OG Jordan 1 box. The official colorway is Sail, Dark Mocha, and Black. Let's see what's in store. Ooh, man, nice to see this untouched butter paper, so clean. And there you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. Let me get it out of the box. That's right there, the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. A lot of people have been saying that it's the closest you can get to a Travis Scott, but I don't think so. For me, it was more of like a black toe theme. But we'll get into that. Let's just check it out. Way better than the Japan pack, and I think that's because of the materials they use. It's not just all nubuck. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not like as hyped or as excited as I thought I would be to get the Jordan 1 Mochas. I know what it is for me. It's the color blocking, right? Let's get into the specifics of the sneaker. So you have this nice tumble kind of soft leather. All of the black and the sail parts, it's not white, it's actually sail. All of the black and sail parts are all this nice tumble leather, but it's not anywhere as close to the shadows or anything. It's not super soft, I always compare them to the shadows because I think they've got the most buttery upper ever. This one's not as super soft, but it's soft, it's nice enough. It creases nicely. So you have your sail toe box, your black mudguard along with these lace eyelets, black swoosh, mid panel is sail as well. It's the heel part that makes all of the difference, right? It's got this I'd call it nubuck. It's kind of nice and soft and okay and all of that, but yeah. Another reason why I'm not really hyped from the get-go, I didn't notice this in pictures so far. I kept thinking it's true to the black toe colorway, is the fact that they did sale. They did sales in these panels right here. I mean, if this was black and black right there, that would be a perfect black toe colorway. I think I'm gonna get it customized. Sale midsole, black outsole, white nylon tongue. Interesting. The sock liner is like on the bread or something. You know, it's got that mesh kind of fabric. It's not that smooth satin kind of sock liners that they've been doing lately. Man, there's nothing I can tell you that you already don't know about the Jordan 1 in terms of sizing and comfort. True to size, basic comfort, black insole with the Nike Air branding done in white, which will probably wear out in 2 wears, and spare laces. They've provided you with these sail, or is it white? It's sail colored laces. You should actually do something with this. This is how the laces turned out after dyeing them in coffee. Let's throw them on the Mochas, shall we? So what do you guys think? I kind of think it's sick, man. It looks clean. So that's about it, you guys. I mean, I'm not gonna go into all the details that you don't really need to know. It's a nice pair still, nice, versatile. You could wear it really well. The colors are really impressive. I don't know, but I think I would have preferred if the back panels, the brown panels or whatever you call them, would also have been like this kind of a leather. I think I would have preferred it better because these tend to get scuffed or have scratches quite easy. Right off the bat, I noticed a QC issue on this pair. Man, come on. Is it like that mass produced? The Wings logo, they've missed the paint. You see that right there? It slid down a little bit. I mean, you had one job, but then it wouldn't really be a Jordan 1 without those QC issues, would it? Smells so good. I must tell you, I was never a fan of the white tongue. I always prefer Jordan 1s with the black tongue, but let's see. I'll either keep the black laces or I'm gonna probably switch over to those Mocha or those coffee dyed laces. With that out of the way, I'm now gonna lace these bad boys and put them on feet to show you what they look like. Thanks for tuning in, you guys, and watching all the way through to the end. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button down there. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.